another legendary name came back to life.
Hello everyone and welcome to our automotive channel where we discuss all about European cars. Today we have here 2012 Škoda Rapid. 2012 it was introduced as a sedan and in 2013 it was introduced as a Spaceback. In our previous video where we talked about differences in cars in Europe, we mentioned Škoda 1920 which came in two body types, sedan and two-door coupe, which was also called Rapid. Even though this is one of the most famous Rapid in Europe, it wasn't the first time this name was used. The first actual car called the Rapid was made in 1935 as a two-door sedan, cabrio, grocer.
The new Rapid fits perfectly between Fabia and Octavia. It's a little bit bigger than Fabia and a little bit smaller than Octavia. If you ever visited a car motor show, you have probably noticed a car called Škoda Vision D, which was on a car motor show in 2010. Škoda Vision D was a concept car that showed how will Škoda cars look in the future years. It was a revolutionary car because it looked completely different from any other Škoda ever made. Škoda Rapid carries a lot of design features from that car. The iconic features of new generation Škodas is their taillights shaped in a C shape.
Could you see the space in the back space is clearly bigger than in Fabia. You get a bit of head space, more space for your legs. Overall space is bigger. The one downside is that you have no air vent, either the door panels or down here. We also don't have middle console for your armrest or for the drinks. We would like to thank Tesla for letting us review their car. Comparing to Fabia, you even have more space as the driver and even as a passenger. More comfortable steering wheel. We have more options on dashboard. We even have a touchscreen radio, so you can choose different stations or other options. You have Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone so you can use it hands-free. You have automatic climate control. You have a 6-speed transmission. Again, cup holders for small and smaller cups. You have 4 power windows. You have instrument cluster with Maxi display. Cruise control. Škoda once again went all in on the slogan, which is simply clever. And they added bottle holders in each door compartment.
Ice scraper inside fuel door. In Škoda Rapid Spaceback, you have pretty big storage compartment.
In our opinion, this car is pretty average and is very good for young families or smaller families. On that note, hit the like button if you liked the video, consider subscribing so you don't miss any future uploads, and bye!